Introducing the 2014 Ram 2500. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.